Now to solve this by Simpson's one-third rule, first let us see what is the data given in this case. The interval is 0 to 6 and the function is 1 by 1 plus x square, and we are expecting number of equal steps as 6. That means n value is 6. First the interval AB is from 0 to 6. That means A value is 0 and B value is 6. The number of equal subintervals is given as a 6, and the function f of x dx. So f of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now the first step in this is deciding the step size depending on the number of subintervals expected in the question. Step size h is length of the interval divided by number of equal parts or number of equal subintervals. Here b value is 6, a value is 0, and the number of parts required is 6. So when you substitute into this formula, which comes as 1, this is a step size h. Now based on this step size h, we have to divide this 0 to 6 into 6 equal parts. We'll get it continuously adding from h is equals to 1 from 0 to 6. Let us start. So in this case the starting value is 0 and the end value is a 6. In between points you will get it by substituting, by adding step size h. So by adding step size 1 to this 0, this comes as 1. Because step size h is 1, again when you add h to this previous point, you will get 2, continuously you get 3, 4 and 5, the last point, which is upper limit of the integral 6, that is the b value 6. Now this is nothing but x, and we have function as 1 by 1 plus x square. Substitute x points in this function, that becomes 1 by 1 plus 0 square, which is 1, and the second one 1 by 1 plus 1 square, which is 1 by 2. When you simplify, 0.5, and the third one 1 by 1 plus 2 square, which is 1 by 5. When you simplify, it comes as 0.2. Similarly 1 by 1 plus 3 square, which is 1 by 10, and simplification is 0.1, and 1 by 1 plus 4 square, which is 1 by 17. When you simplify, this is going to be 0.05884. Simplify, this is 0.5884, and 1 by 1 plus 5 square, which is 1 by 26, and when you simplify, it comes as 0.0385. 0.0385. The last one 1 by 1 plus 6 square, 1 by 37, and when you simplify, that comes as 0.027. Now these are the y values corresponding to given x values. So this is y0, which is 1, y1, which is 0.5, and y2, which is 0.2, y3 is 0.1, and y4 is 0.5884, y5 is 0.385, and y6 is 0.027. Now in the given question, we are supposed to apply Simpson's one-third rule. So first, let me write Simpson's one-third rule formula. You can easily remember the Simpson's one-third rule formula, that is integral a to b f of x dx. In case of Simpson's one-third rule, the formula goes like this: h by 3, first y value plus last y value plus 2 times of even y indices plus 4 times of remaining y values. Now based on this word form, you can easily write the formula for any number of points, doesn't matter. H by 3, first y value is, in this case, first y value is y0 and the last y value is y6. So it comes as y0 plus y6 plus 2 times of even y values, that is in this case y2 y4, even y indices, not y values, even with subscript even numbers I can say. So y2 y4 y6, even 6 is even number but it is the last point, it is already included in the first component itself. See, y6 is already included, so don't include y6. So take only 2 and 4, that is y2 and y4. So it comes as 2 times of y2 value plus y4 value plus 4 times of remaining values. y0 y6 y2 y4 is already included, so the remaining values will be y1 y3 and y5. So by writing the remaining values in the last component, it comes as y1 y3 y5. Now substitute all these points, all these y values, h value as 1 by 3, and simplify each component and divide it by 3. So the final answer goes like 1.3662 approximately. So you have to substitute all these points and simplify.